Pioneer's MIXTRAX can create a club-like atmosphere inside your car with cool DJ-style transitions and effects between songs and a great light show on the head unit. MIXTRAX works with music played from your iPhone through USB, or music stored on a USB thumb drive. So to get started, drop some tunes onto a USB thumb drive and we'll plug the thumb drive in right here. The system will automatically switch to the USB source and begin to play a track. To activate MIXTRAX, touch the Mix button right here. Here you can see the lights of the head unit are reacting to the beat of the music, and we'll hear DJ-style transitions and effects between songs. Let's check out some of the settings for MIXTRAX. We'll press in on the volume control, and we're going to roll along here until we find the MIXTRAX menu and press enter. And the first thing we see is shorten playback. Let's touch in on the volume control. Here we can shorten the playback of any given track down to 1 minute, or we can extend it out to about 3 minutes if we want. If you'd like to hear the full extent of a track playback, you can switch the shorten playback off. But if we switch shorten playback on to 1 minute or so, every minute we'll hear a transition to a new song. So we'll go back and roll over to the next setting, which is the flash area. Let's press in on the volume control here. Here we can choose to have the key area, which is the outside parts of the head unit, and the display area flash to the beat of the music. Or we can have just the key area. Or we can switch the flashing lights that go to the beat of the music completely off. Let's switch it to key and display area for right now. We'll go back and roll over to our next setting, which is the flash pattern. And here you'll find a number of different flash patterns that are available. Sound level patterns, low pass filter patterns, and random patterns. Choose the flash pattern that works best for you. We'll go back and roll over to the next setting, which is our display effects, which is the area right here inside the display. Right now display effects are switched on. If you want to switch the display effects off, you can just touch the volume control to switch it off, but we'll leave that on for right now. And we'll roll over to our next setting, which is our cut-in effects. And cut-in effects means when I use the arrow buttons here, the track buttons, to advance or go back on a track, we hear the DJ-style transitions between the songs. If you don't want to hear the transitions, you can switch it off. I like to hear those things though, so I'll leave cut-in effects on. And we'll roll over to our next setting, which is back around to our shorten playback mode. At any time, you can exit this menu or any menu by pressing the band button to escape. To deactivate MIXTRAX, just touch the Mix button again.